Hi there guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the line fill effect. Let's just have a quick intro here. Well, today's tutorial video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We have a number of different softwares we do cover, and also we upload videos daily, so keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, if we head back in VinylCut here, then yeah, if you want to do a line fill, just make sure you have your object selected that you want to line fill. Then we can go on top here to effects, and then we go down to line fill. Now from the pop-up box we'll have a few different options. So first of all, let's enable here the auto preview, so that way as we make changes it'll automatically update our canvas. And now you can see here we've got the lines being filled. So if you send this to an engraver or something like that, you can kind of see what it's going to do. So then as options here we have line spacing. This is obviously the space between the lines. Then we have the line angle, so you can adjust for custom angles. We've got here crosshatch, so if you want to get unique shapes out of this, you can always increase this. You can also get this type of effect with a lattice, but otherwise, yeah, you can do it. Once you start adding more shapes, it gets quite unique. So you can kind of just increase this to get different unique patterns. But now, otherwise, what we also have here, we've got alternate line direction. So what this comes down to is if we switch it back to, let's say 1. Now let's say your cutter is cutting this way, doing all the lines in one way. So what will happen is if this is not selected, it will cut, then the cutter will come all the way back and then only cut the next line, all the way back, cut the next line. If we have alternate line selected, then it will cut, and then this side it will drop and cut this way, so it saves you a lot of time. So we'll cut horizontally in both left and right, and then keep original outline. If we select this, then the original outline of your shape, it will keep it as well. So that can be quite convenient at times. Otherwise, what you do is you just click OK, and then it will apply the effects to your shape. Well, if we head to the website here, if you navigate to softwaretraining.co.za, you can find this video. We have a number of softwares we cover and quite a few videos on the current topic as well. If you looking for anything specific, you can go to the search option here. Just type in what you're looking for, or if you don't find what you're looking for, we have this option, request the training video. Then we will make that video for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.